Removing old devices from your Google account security settings is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure by managing the devices that have access. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to log in. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to remove old devices. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section in the left-hand menu. This area contains all the security-related settings for your account. Step 3. Review your devices. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Step 4. Select a device to remove. Click on the device you wish to remove. A pop-up will appear with more details about the device, including its last activity and location. Step 5. Remove the device. In the pop-up, look for the option that says Sign Out or Remove. Click on it to disconnect the device from your Google account. Confirm the action if prompted. After completing these steps, the old device will no longer have access to your Google account. Regularly managing your devices helps maintain your account's security.